Good morning, children. Hope everyone is doing good. Children, this is your English class, and today we are going to see grammar. Today's topic is demonstrative pronouns. Children, we have already learnt about pronoun. The word which takes place of the noun is called as pronoun. There are different types of pronoun. Now we are going to see demonstrative pronouns. What are demonstrative pronouns, children? A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to refer something specific in a sentence. It can be either singular or plural. Demonstrative pronouns always point out to nouns, which means they are used to point out the places, animals or things near or far from us. There are 4 demonstrative words in English. They are this, that, these and those. Children, first let us see about this and that. Look at this. This is a bat. Look at that. That is a box. Dear children, this and that modify singular nouns, which means we use this and that for only one person, animal or object. Next, let me tell you about these and those. Look at these. These are frogs. Look at those. Those are fish. Dear children, these and those modify plural nouns, which means we use these and those for more than one person, animal or thing. Look at this. This is a gate. Look at these. These are mice. We use this and these for people, animals or things near us. Look at that. That is a house. Look at those. Those are bags. We use that and those for people, animals or things not near us. Now children, let us move on with some more examples. Dear children, always remember this is used to tell about nearer and singular object. For example, what is this? This is my house. Here, the house is near the girl and it is singular. What is this? This is a chicken. Who is this? This is my teacher. Now, let us know about these. These are used to tell about nearer and plural object. For example, what are these? These are my books. The books are near him and they are plural. Look at these. These are trees. What are these? These are candies. Next, let me tell you about that. That is used to tell about far and singular object. For example, what is that? That is a bird. Here, the bird is far from him and it is singular. What is that? That is my soccer ball. Look at that. That is my school. Dear children, Now let me tell you about those. Those are used to tell about far and plural objects. For example, look at those. Those are stars. Children, can you count and touch the stars? No, because they are far from us and they are plural. Look at those. Those are flowers. Look at them. Those are my friends. Okay, children, now let us revise. Look at this beautiful garden. The man is going to tell us about the things around him. This is a bench. These are flowers. Those are birds. That is an aeroplane. Dear children, from these sentences, the words this, that, these and those. What are these words? These words are called demonstrative pronouns. Dear children, I hope you all have understood and enjoyed the class. Thank you, children.